welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today I am going to tell about Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a popular festival in India. It is a festival of brother and sister. The sister prepares puja thali with kumkum, diya, rice, sweets and Rakhis. On this day, sister ties a special thread on his brother's wrist. Sister prays to God for the bright future of her brother. Brother give gifts to their sisters, eat sweets and chocolates together. This festival is symbol of love between brother and sister. Hope you enjoyed with me. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe to my